He said, what's the ruling on cutting a cake? So I'm getting married, may Allah forbid. And on the wedding night, the missus and I are celebrating. We have a cake and we cut the cake, maybe holding each other's hands to ensure that none of us is going to stab the other from the very beginning of the night. And we cut the cake and we give it to guests and relatives who are attending. There's no problem in that. This is totally permissible, whether you cut the cake or you give away candies or maybe a soup of lentil soup, whatever. This is all cultural and permissible. And so the case with graduations.